Today I will show you how to prepare hot dogs and burger bun. The ingredients required are 500 grams of flour, 12 grams of yeast, 30 grams of sugar, 15 grams of butter, 10 grams of salt and 10 grams of sesame seeds. In the flour we'll add salt and we'll mix it. Now make a bay in center. Add sugar, yeast, add little water and mix it so that the sugar melts. Now the sugar is melted. Slowly we'll add water and start forming a dough. At around 250 to 300 ml of water we'll add. Now we'll shift it onto the table and we'll knead the dough. We'll knead the dough till it is nice and soft. Now the dough is soft, we'll add the butter. We'll soften it using the palm. And now we'll roll in the dough in it. Now the dough is nice and soft. We'll keep it for fermenting. We'll make a soft ball out of it. We'll dust some flour in the bowl and we'll take our dough and keep it for fermenting till it doubles in size, approximately 20 to 25 minutes. We'll cover it using a cling wrap. Now after 10-20 minutes, the dough is fermented. As you can see, it has increased in volume. Now slowly we'll remove it from the bowl. We'll dust some flour and we'll just punch it so that the excess of air comes out. Now we'll divide the dough into 90 grams. Now we have divided the dough into 90 grams. We have got 8 pieces out of it. So we are going to use 5 for the burger buns and we are going to use 90 grams dough for the hot dog buns. Now we'll take a tray and grease it with oil. We are going to grease 2 separate trays. flour. We'll start making the burger bun. We'll keep it in the center and just roll it gently. Now we'll place the burger buns in the grease tray. We'll keep placing them because they are again going to ferment till again they double in size. Now we'll keep the burger buns for fermenting again for 20 minutes till they double in size. Now we'll dust some flour and we'll flatten the dough. And now we'll start shaping it. And the seals, we'll seal the corners. And we'll place it in the tray for proving. Now we have shaped the hot dog buns and now we'll prove it for 15 to 20 minutes again till it doubles in size. Now our burger buns and hot dog buns have been proved. We'll give them an egg wash with a very gentle hand. We'll do egg wash on the hot dog bun also. On the burger buns, we are going to sprinkle some sesame seeds. Now we'll bake the burger buns and hot dog buns in oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 20-25 minutes. Now we'll bake the hot dog buns at 200 degrees Celsius. Now our burger buns and hot dog buns have been baked. After 20 to 25 minutes, we'll remove them. We'll give them an oil wash so that they stay soft and they don't go hard. Using a dough scraper, we'll remove the hot dog buns and transfer them on a cooling rack. We'll allow to cool the burger buns and hot dogs for 10-15 minutes. Now our burger buns have been cooled and we'll arrange it in a platter. Our hot dog buns are also ready. Our hot dog buns and burger buns are ready to use.